Welcome to Vivero Growers Nursery. I'm Brandon.
And I'm Brandon.
All right, today we're going to talk about fun, easy fruit trees. It's fall. It's a perfect time to add some fruit trees to the garden.
Yep.
This looks like a great full sun tree. What do you have here, Brandon?
Exactly. This is a pomegranate. This is a wonderful pomegranate. And yes, it's great for a nice full sun spot that you want to get some fruit in. You could trim it up like this, leave it as a full shrub, and it has beautiful, beautiful flowers in the springtime, and then it's going to ripen by fall, as you can see right here.
All right. Well, another great one for this area is the fig. This fig can handle full sun or a little bit of shade. It can be pruned up into a real shapely tree structure, or it can be a low, wide, blocking structure. Easy to grow. Wonderful texture, size, shape, color. Try them out, and we're going to show you some other great ones that we have.
Okay, now we get to talk about just my favorite tree in general, the Fuyu Persimmon. A wonderful orange fruit, and I really love the persimmon because of how elegant and airy, and the structure is just really great for a specimen tree in your yard, and hey, it gives you fruit. And in the fall, the color against, the setting sun, it just looks like a bunch of tiny, shiny pumpkins hanging from your tree.
Well, that sounds great.
Yeah.
I have a fun one. The peach. Everybody loves a peach tree in Texas. Easy to grow, but different peach varieties have different chill hours. So depending on where you're located in Texas, that's why we advise you to come down and talk to us so we can figure out which variety works best for your location. Now, bonus on the peach tree and all the other trees we've talked about today, self-pollinators, okay? That's a great tip. You only need one, and you can enjoy the fruits of the tree.
Yeah, and there's so many ways to enjoy the fruits of the tree, like just eating it straight off the tree. You could can them. You could put them in pies.
Yeah, you could always cook your juicy brisket with your peach cobbler and just enjoy the flavorful tastes of the Texas
spring.
peach trees.
Yeah.
Now, spring, the spring bloom of the peach, magnificent. People come from all over just to see the Texas spring peach bloom.
They do.
Yep. So we advise you, come down here, come see us, come see all the fruit trees. Let's talk about your garden, what will work best for your application.
Thank you for watching.